Morning all. Okay, let's have one or two fighting games this morning. So Magnus survived being tortured yesterday. That might be quite an interesting game to look at, even though okay, it's maybe wasn't perfect chess, but it was interesting how to generate counterplay, etc. Okay, evaster. I can't play d4. Right. If I just take on c6 here, is that a terrible move? Right. And if I take again here, do I get some sort of pressure or not? Try and keep control of e5. Queen h4, f5, bishop g5, that sort of thing. Queen c6, queen h3, or rook f3. He's blocked in this bishop, that's one good thing, I suppose, about this. I've connected my rooks now. Oh, don't tell me there's rook d5, okay, rook d5. Just to stop rook h5 for a moment. So something like rook f2 and the other one to e1, or just the other one to e1 first? Wait for queen c6. Knight e4 could try and challenge this defensive knight. For rook h5 I just take and then take on h5. Maybe knight e4 is worth it. I'll give it a shot. Is that an annoying move? There might be, don't think there's a queen sack or anything. Double check. King could move there. Right, he's just giving up the exchange in plain daylight. I'll take that, I believe. And, okay, I don't want to lose this pawn. Maybe c3 here. So queen g3, these bishops are getting good again. My queen's in the wrong place here. Why did I just put it there? That was dumb. And I can't do rook. A rook move. Queen f2 takes, that's nasty. Rook g1, I'm going to lose the exchange. Maybe that's worth it. I'll give back the exchange because I want this bishop on the diagonal. Actually now there's bishop e3, I'm going to lose more pawns. Okay, bishop e3, I'm going to lose 2 pawns here at least. Oh, even worse, g2 collapses. Oh no. Unbelievable. That was horrible. That was just horrible. Is this guy being higher than he's been up to 2350? Ah man. Brutal. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.